leaves 80% of us who need the recipe. 80% of your organization needs the recipe. And if the 10% influencers want to sustain that, they need the recipe. And if the 10% with a 6-figure work ethic want to sustain that and not burn themselves out and duplicate it, they need this recipe as well. So 100% of us need a recipe if we want to duplicate and sustain and multiply. So how do you rate yourself? So if it says rate yourself 0 to 10. So these little lines on the left of the numbers, next to number 1, there's 2 lines. Why are there 2 lines there? You'll also notice there's 2 words that are underlined. Oh, those 2 words go with those underlines. So if you see 2 lines there, that means you're going to divide your up to 10 points in half. So prospecting, when I say prospecting, I do not mean presenting LegalShield. I just mean adding prospects to your list, breaking the ice, making new friends, adding new followers or people to your list on social media or in person. I just mean adding new people to your list, making new friends consistently, 2 to 5 a day minimum, because you need 2 to 5 new people on your list every day in order to have 2 to 5 people to invite every day, so you never run out. So I separate prospecting and inviting, and so does Eric Worre in the book Go Pro. Prospecting is a skill, inviting is a skill. Okay, so prospecting on a 0 to 5, you get up to 5 points if you've been consistently inviting 2 to 5 people over the last 90 days. If you prospected 0, then give yourself a 0 on a scale of 1 to 5 for prospecting. And don't beat yourself up from the numbers. You just need to know what the real number is so you can improve the number. And then inviting. Have you been consistently inviting 2 to 5 new people a day to look at some information with a 3-way afterwards? So up to 5 points. So if I give myself a 5 for prospecting and a 3 for inviting, I have an 8. For step number 1, my score is 8. For number 2, same thing. Have I been consistently showing up to my team's weekly core training where the core system is being taught? Do you even have one where the core system is being taught? If you don't, or if you have a training but you're not going over some version of this, then where are your people learning the core system, the PAVE system? Where are they learning to become core, following that PAVE system? They're not. They're just hearing pieces of it. That'll take forever for you to develop a solid core team. So if you have a training that you run, make sure you're covering some version of this so they can become core.